Hi, my name is Sarah Ozarumba, and I work for the Education Department at the Milwaukee Art Museum. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own winter wonderland using cut paper snowflakes inspired by the artwork of two artists. Come along! There's something magical about the beginning of winter that this artist, Keiji Shinohara, captured so well in this woodcut print called Winter Garden. This Japanese printmaker is well known for combining new abstract landscapes with traditional woodblock printmaking techniques called ukiyo-e, or pictures of the floating world. Have you ever caught a snowflake on your mitten and looked at it closely before it melts away? This artist, Wilson Snowflake Bentley, invented a way to take photographs of these lovely snow crystals using a microscope and a camera. He worked outside for hours in the cold winter months to capture the beauty of individual snowflakes. Pause the video here to gather the materials below. To begin making your paper snowflakes, start with a square or circle. You can use any kind of paper you want, whether printed or plain. Begin first by folding the paper, lining up the edges, and then crease with your finger. I will then fold it in half again, lining up the corners and edges, and one final time, folding it in half. So now the square has become a triangle. If you have extra paper showing on the other side, I like to just trim that off before I get started with the design to make it nice and neat. Next, you'll use your scissors to begin cutting shapes into the folded edges of the paper. Be careful not to cut the whole fold. And now for my favorite part. When you feel you've cut enough shapes out of your folded paper, open it up to reveal the design. Repeat this process until you have a nice collection of snowflakes. With your cut paper snowflakes inspired by Wilson Bentley, choose a few of your favorites and we'll get ready for printmaking. As you can see, I've taped down a piece of wax paper. This will be our printing surface. Next, you'll use some tempera paints and pour a little in a few areas as you get ready to make a print. For this part, you should work a little bit quickly, and the colors will blend nicely together. Next, I will choose a collection of snowflakes and just gently drop them onto the surface. You don't want to move them once they have been dropped. I want to put them at different angles. There we go. Next, you'll take a sheet of larger paper, gently drop it over the top of your painted surface, and using the palm of your hand, you'll pick up all of the paint. Make sure you rub in between all of those negative or empty spaces that we cut into the snowflakes. And just like the magic of unfolding a snowflake to see what it will look like, we will very carefully start to peel up our winter garden print. Once your print is dry, you can decide if you'd like to draw or paint some trees onto it, just like Shinoharu's winter garden print. I'm adding some charcoal to make a few bare winter trees in front of my snowflake landscape. Don't throw out those extra snowflakes you used to print with. Instead, you can make snowflake winter garlands by using some string and some glue. Make as many as you want to decorate your winter wonderland. Thank you for joining me at the studio at home. I hope you have so much fun making so many snowflakes and creating your own winter wonderland. Share it with us and have a great holiday.